In this tutorial, we configure Reniway Edge as an OPC UA client. We start by renaming the flow so it is clear that this flow is used for the demo. Next, we add an OPC UA client connector and enter the endpoint URL of the demo server. For the first test, we connect without security. This is useful to quickly verify that the endpoint is reachable. The connection is successful. Reniway Edge is now connected to the demo server. Next, we update the connector settings and enable a secure OPC UA connection using encryption. With security enabled, certificates need to be trusted on both sides before the secure session can be established. After the certificates are trusted, Reniway Edge connects to the demo server using the selected security settings. We can now browse the server's address space and choose which nodes we want to monitor. First, we subscribe to simple variables. These are scalar values, such as numbers, booleans, or strings. Once the variables are added, Reniway Edge receives live updates from the demo server. Next, we subscribe to array variables. These nodes contain an array of values in a single variable. Reniway Edge receives the array values and makes them available in the flow, just like any other monitored data. We then subscribe to a structured data type variable. This type of variable contains multiple fields inside one value. Finally, we subscribe to an OPC UA event. When the demo server raises an event, Reniway Edge receives the event data. This completes the OPC UA client demo.